Hi, my name is Ruben Alves. I'm from Robotics Academy, and in today's video you are going to see how to manage your licenses, your multi-licenses. If you only have one license, this video doesn't apply to you, but in case you have many licenses, like 10 for example, like in this case, if you see here, I go to subscription billing, I have here 11 licenses, so I can have one for me and assign the 10 other ones to other people. So to better explain this, I have here two web browser opens. I have here this account Ruben Teacher, and here on the right side I have in a different web browser this Ruben Student. And this Ruben Student is a free user. Free, I mean I don't have a license. This user is a free user, and you even have here the subscribe button. And on the platform where everything is loaded, we can see that I only have access to the first units, and I have the subscribe button. So this is the student account with this icon here, and here we have the teacher. So when I have many licenses, like in this case, I have this button here, team management. So I just click in this button here, and I can assign my 10 licenses, because one is mine, to other people. In this case, I already have here 3 members on my team. There are 2 ways I can assign my license to other people. I can use any of these options here. For example, I can assign myself if I know the emails of the user. I just type here like new student, for example, mail.com, and I put here the other address, and I just click assign license, and the user would have access. And the other way of assigning the license is just clicking this generate public link. So let's click here, and you have this modal here. You just click on this button, generate link. So I'm going to copy this link and share with the students I want to share my licenses with. For example, if I copy this link and I share with, let's say, this user, I can send it through email or anyway. So yeah, this user just have to copy and to paste this link that he received on the address, and the user will be sent to this page, like assign one license for yourself. Once in this page, the user just click here in assign one of these licenses to me, and yeah, here we have it. The user now have full access. If you just reload the page now, for example, this subscribe button is not here anymore, and I can go here on my subscription and billing, and I see that I have a student license. So I'm in the student here, and if I reload this page, I can see that now I will have access to all the content of the course, not only the first unit. If we check here this, for example, now I don't have that lockers here anymore. So yeah, this is the way you can share the licenses. And once the user, the teacher, let's say, if he reloads this page, now he can see that this user was is now in his list of members. For example, I have 3 users and this student, and you can also as a teacher see the activity of this user. For example, this user has no activity registered, but this one, yeah, this user opened the course preview just like right now. And in case you want to remove the license for the user, you say no, this user I don't want to let him use my license. You can just come here and you can are you sure? Yes. So yeah, this user is not using my license anymore. So once the user is here, let's reload the page again, this one here. Sorry, you see that the user won't have full access anymore. You see, everything is locked again. So this is how you can easily share your licenses with other people. There is other thing here, so let's assign the license for this user again using this link. Okay, assign to me. Okay, here you have it. And if you look here, we are on the ROS Basics 5 days. We don't have any exam here because you normally users don't have access to the exam. It's not enabled by default. You have here, we have the unit number 10, Then we have the 12. We don't have here the 11 one, but as a teacher, I can assign, like allow my students to have access to the exams. I just click on the exams I want to enable. For example, oh, I want my user to have access to these ROS basics in 5 days. So I just click here and that's it. When the user reloads the page here, let's wait until it finishes, it loads. And here on the list of units, now we have the exam. So easy, no? So that's it, guys. This is the video for today. I hope you liked. If so, please give it a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to our channel and press the bell for a new video every single day. Thanks for watching.